Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. The UPPS Impulsive Behavior Scale is a refined psychometric instrument that mental health professionals use to evaluate impulsivity, a multifaceted behavioral attribute often linked to various psychological conditions. Some of these include ADHD, borderline personality disorder, and substance abuse disorder. Originating from a comprehensive factor analysis of existing impulsivity scales, this 59-item measure taps into 5 critical domains contributing to impulsive behaviors. Each participant responds to items using a 4-point Likert scale, ranging from agree strongly to disagree strongly. The subscales include positive urgency, negative urgency, lack of premeditation, lack of perseverance, and sensation seeking. Positive and negative urgency capture the inclination to act impulsively due to extreme positive or negative emotions. Lack of premeditation and lack of perseverance measure the tendency to act rashly without sufficient forethought and the propensity not to complete tasks. Finally, sensation seeking assesses the drive to pursue novel and thrilling experiences. Understanding and managing impulsive behaviors are crucial for effective therapy and improved mental health outcomes. To use our free impulsive behavior scale, follow these steps. Download our impulsive behavior scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Participants rate their agreement with each statement on a scale from 1 to 4. Honest self-reflection is crucial for accurate results. Scoring involves calculating separate scores for each section. These scores collectively reveal a comprehensive view of an individual's impulsive tendencies. The UPPS scale has proven effective in various contexts such as substance abuse, gambling, and ADHD. It assists in identifying the reasons behind impulsive behavior, enabling tailored treatment strategies. Here is a sample of our impulsive behavior scale, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our impulsive behavior scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.